This one over here, this is our 56 head. So the 55 head had a 55 right here, and they modified the mold for 56, and then they ran this up to mid 57 for sure. That head. Now this one here has a casting date there. Can't make out what it says. It's like a D2 or something, D5. I don't know. Once again, I don't believe what people say these mean. This one has bigger cracks. Seats higher up. Got better seats in it. Exhaust spigot's been roached. It's been repaired more than once. So this is original on this side. And over here they started welding. So what they did is they took a piece of sheet metal, they rolled it around and welded it to the spigot. You can see the weld in here. Well, they just added a piece of sheet metal into it. It's had a nice taper like that, so I don't know how the exhaust pipe's going to stay on with a taper. That never made sense to me, but I guess it's better than being an open hole, but not by much. It looks like they drilled a hole through it there to hold the pipe on originally. You can see that hole way down in there. Looks like a round hole. So that is not how you should be fixing your exhaust spigots. That's pretty bad looking. Yeah. I just assumed that was missing like this other one, so I got something to work from. See, this is all original, you have to deal with it. Just start welding this back up and machine it, you're good to go. Or you can weld something onto it. I don't like welding onto the spigot, I just start welding. So it's pretty bad. Alright, these fins look alright. Got some dirt daubers living in there. That's nice. Still got an intake nipple on there, that's good. This one's pretty smooth in here, so it's probably been ported. So they are not smooth stock. So, and you can see how it's broken above where the seat goes. So this seat's probably been replaced. That's why I can see that hard line right here. I was trying to determine if there's a seat or not in there. But so I'm guessing that's a seat. It's broken out on top. So that means there's no support on that seat. You can see how thin the metal is right there. They're really, really thin. They break out all the time in there. That might be a casted-in seat. Don't know. I don't see any obvious line, but you have to blast it to see. It might still be a casted-in seat, but definitely it looks stock, but it doesn't mean it is. Definitely garbage. I don't know what the welding right here. It looked like they welded across here and they trying to do something here. I don't know. It's supposed to be a star like this right here. I don't know what they got going on here. Whatever it is, it's pretty rusty. These threads are really rusty. Oh, look at these threads in here. I think every one of these is going to have to be fixed. You're going to have to put a new insert in there or helicoil or something. I think every one of these is bad. You're supposed to have nice threads like this in there, so and it's supposed to look like that. That's not good. So this head's in pretty bad shape. Got good fins on it though. You don't do any fin repair, but you got to do a lot of head bolt repair. And definitely exhaust repair, but that's no biggie. These are way oversized. Look how big these holes are. These look like they're stripped out 1/4-inch holes. These things are huge. Can you see a difference in hole size between that one and that one? So these look like they're stripped out 1/4-inch. So every one of these holes need to have an insert put in, or they need to be all welded up. Every one of these put back to standard. So this head looks good, but it needs a lot of work, a lot of issues. Stud looks real good here, and the boss is not damaged. That's a plus. Like I said, the intake nipple's good. That's a plus too. But other than that, it's got a lot of issues. This has definitely been ported. See a nice smooth loop that goes around the corner there. That's how it's supposed to be. It's not how they come though. Alright, so this head here, tons and tons of work. This head's really, really nice. Just needs an exhaust to take it off and a fin repair. And it's good. So, we're gonna have to put a seat in here because it looks like there's some. Oh well. You never know what you're getting. So they're not a set anyway because they're different style intakes. These don't mix together very well. You can cut this out and put an adapter in and make it into that, but that kind of defeats the purpose of having a nice head. So, alright, there you go. More panheads.